What's up, y'all? Boy, this is DJ. Just getting in from the strip club working. It's an early one. It was a late night, early morning joint, but I meant to make this video yesterday because I wanted to do an unboxing because obviously I did make out. I made up and I was able to hit. I've been hearing a lot of people complaining. I'm in Baltimore, so I went to Shoe City, downtown on Lexington in Utah. I had got my did the raffle joint. I got one. They called me Thursday. I went down there yesterday morning, picked the joints up or whatever. And the funny thing about it was a line full of people, right? I mean, it was a shitload of niggas in line. I'm the only one that hit on the raffle that was in line, which was funny. Niggas thought it was gonna be first come, first serve. I don't know who in the fuck told them that shit, but. And then they had one shoe that they were selling off the top that nobody had claimed. It was a 9.5, so one cat, homeboy went in there and he bought the shit. And the funny thing is, he went outside and flipped your money right out front. Anybody know Baltimore downtown by Lexington Market? It's rough down there. I'm surprised niggas ain't trying to run up on him. But maybe he was known down there. I don't know. Motherfuckers know me when they see me coming through, but that's about it. That's neither here nor there. I was able to get him. Not for myself. I'm going to keep it 100. I'm not a fan. I've never really been a fan of 11s. The only 11s that I ever wanted, and I fucking missed it. I can't believe it, with the bread 11s. And I got them for my daughter. My daughter loved them. My daughter, my cousin, shout out to Legendary J. He fucked with them. I think my brother fucks with 11s. I'm not sure. My brother not a real heavy Jordan fan, but he do fuck with them. He had a couple pairs. I don't think he ever had a pair of 11s though. But point being, I got 2 pairs. I hardly wear them. I'm really giving them to my little boy. I got the red joints. That's a 9.5, and I don't even know what to call them. There's some black and white joints, but I ain't too familiar with them. I think they came out like a couple years ago. I bought them. I wear them every now and then. But again, like I said, I'm not a fan. I just jumped into the hype. I'm kind of mad that I even did that shit. But it's neither here nor there. So show them to y'all real quick. I meant to make this video yesterday, but a DJ on the weekends at the club, and it was a packed house this whole weekend. Anyway, let me adjust this so you can see it, bro. That's good. There you go. Let me change it so you can, let me just make this regular. Niggas stay snitching. They got me stressed. I'm trying to make a living in the kitchen. I love the souls. I will say that. Trying to make a killing. Niggas know me. Clientele looking real fresh. The fiends come to me, cause I got the best. Niggas hating got a lot on their fucking chest. Better leave me alone before I pull a test. Out real quick. I ain't even sleeping. What's going on like? It's almost like 6 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. I'll probably post this video right after. So here's the other one. Right here. She gonna love these. My daughter love 11s. She gonna love these. I don't see too many. I don't see no issues with these. Retail board. I've seen a couple niggas in Baltimore rocking them already. Funny thing is, people were complaining that they couldn't get them. And I was explaining to a lot of people, Sneakers App was giving y'all chance after chance. How many times they dropped on Sneakers App? About 2 or 3 times? I was gonna get them in, but I didn't want to pay the high resale cost, because I know it's a hot shoe. They've been talking about this shit for a minute now. So I was like, I'm gonna chance it and wait. I noticed how StockX and GOAT kept the prices kept fluctuating all week. And the most I seen it for this particular week was like $345 or something like that. Or I think it was on Go altogether. It was like $345 on StockX. It was $349. So I was like, all right, that's gonna be my last resort, because I ain't even gonna front. I usually do that because my work hours, I don't get off till 2 in the morning. Like I said, I DJ at the club, so at that time I don't walk out of the club until about 3 in the morning. Get home, and then I'm a single dad, so I gotta get little man up, get him ready for school. So I'll be tired by the time the weekend comes. And the weekend is the busy week, the busy days. You know what I'm saying? Friday and Saturday is bumping in the club. So I set my alarm on my phone. Got up about 9 o'clock. Got dressed. Went down there. I was like the second one in line. Next thing I know, there was a shitload of motherfuckers behind me. I'm listening to people talking. He talking about Shoe City was doing first come, first serve. I was like, nah, son. They did lottery like early in the week. Niggas called me last night at 6 o'clock Thursday evening around 6 p.m. Told me I won. Perfect. I did hit on Foot Locker's site, but the Shoe City was closer to me, and right across the street from Shoe City is a DTLR. I tried there first, but they did their shit last weekend, so they got it out the way quick. And they was sold out. They opened up an hour early, and they sold out. They came across the street to where we was at, the whole crew. They locked the doors, came over, they was chilling with us. And yeah, people was in line complaining. Yeah, one chick talking about she was going to go in and get 2 pairs. I'm looking at them like, yo, you don't do this much, do you? They been stop people from doing that shit, even with the grade school pairs, for real, which I used to always thought that shit was crazy. That you make people do a lottery or a raffle for grade school shoes. I mean, I know a lot of people got little feet, but, you know, let them, you know, save the parents some slack, you know what I mean? Because, you know, kids want that shit for school, but I'll make a sneaker right video about that. I just wanted to let y'all know I did get them. Didn't get them for myself. I got them for my daughters. It's a man 7.5. Show them to y'all one more time. It is a nice looking shoe though, but not my thing. I'm more of a 2, 3, and 4 retro Jordan type of person, especially the 3s and the 4s. Almost dropped the box. Show you the size real quick. Put it back in the box. It's Christmas. It's a Christmas gift. She don't even know she got these, so she definitely gonna be happy. I'm gonna play stupid tomorrow, act like I couldn't get them. Everybody know how hot these shoes are. Bottom of the box, of course. Do it like everybody else. That's not the way about it. One more time. If I get lucky and my mother bought them for, I'm gonna flip them. My sister got them, mother got them. But who knows? Never knows at Christmas, so she might have got them for her. But you know, to my next I'm thinking about getting those foam posits, those new ones that just came out with the new design. So I might treat myself to those for Christmas. And if I do, I'll be making another video for it. So until y'all, peace. Oh yeah, by the way, you hear the music in the background. Mixtape or the SoundCloud. True OG series, I believe it's called True OG or True OG series. I'll put the link in the description. Y'all fuck with their type of hip hop, you know, the boom bap joint. I like it because I got all the new shit that's out. The new Styles P and Havoc joint. That shit just came out last week. I got 2 joints on there off of that. Shout out to Ella G. I got a joint from him. Zelda, of course, Westside Gun. Benny the Butcher. Yeah, so just check for the music. And if you want some more information on it, if for any reason I forget to put it in the description, just leave me a comment and I'll send you a link. Peace out, y'all. Going to sleep.